Hi everyone, there's a big update from the Kubernetes that Ingress NGINX controller is being retired. So in this video we will discuss what's actual mean of this, why it is happening and how it will impact your cluster, what alternative we can use to come out from this. So Ingress NGINX is managed by a community and on 11 November 2025 they announced Ingress NGINX being retired from March 2026. It means they will not provide any new features. They will provide only essential fixes and security patches when it's required. Now, why this is happening? Ingress NGINX become too big and they are providing too many features, too many configurations, but they have only 1 and 2 developers to maintain it because contribution in open source project nowadays is very less. What is the best alternative we can use behalf of this is the gateway API which built and backend by Kubernetes SIG network. It supports HTTP, TCP, TLS and gRPC. And we can use different type of ingress also, like there's a lot of ingress in the market, Envoy, Istio, Traefik, HAProxy. At the end, I will say Ingress NGINX controller is not disappearing today. But yes, an era is ending. If you know any DevOps engineer, please share this video as soon as possible so they will get to know and they will check out the solution for this. Soon I will create full migration tutorial on this, like how we can migrate our cluster from Ingress controller, like Ingress NGINX controller to another Ingress, and gateway API hands-on, sample YAMLs, real-world traffic routing demos, comment migration in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me for more real DevOps and AI insights.